Hi parents, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe to this channel. And also we've got a ton more lessons at mymusicworkshop.com. Hope to see you there. Hey guys, we're getting ready to play ukulele, but before we do, we've got to tune our ukulele. We've got to make each one of those 4 strings play the right note. We've got to make it play G, C, E, A, like green cows eat apples. And the way that we tune a ukulele is we take those little tuners, those things sticking out from the head of the ukulele, and we twist them. When we twist them and the string gets tighter, the sound gets higher, high. And when we twist it down and the string gets looser and more floppy, the sound gets lower. You guessed it, all right. So we want to go from high to low to high to low till we find just the right note and the right pitch. Watch what we do to this ukulele. We're going to flip it around so that you see it the same way you're playing it. The neck will go to the left towards your left hand, and the body will stay on the right. So it'll make it a little easier for you to see what we're doing and copy it. Welcome to our ukulele tuning video. Let's do each string. We'll start with G.
The G is the string at the top.
This is a C. Let's match the C.
The C is the second string down from the top.
Here is an E. Let's match the pitch of the E.
The E is the third string down from the top.
Here's the A. Match the A.
The A is all the way at the bottom.
And listen to all the strings again. Hi parents, we hope you and your child enjoyed that music lesson. Hey, if you did, please consider giving us a like and a subscribe to this channel. And also we've got a ton more lessons at mymusicworkshop.com. Hope to see you there.